Hello, I am Sasha. I will show you in less than 5 minutes how to set up Getproduct and start listing immediately on eBay. We click on Settings, then Stores. We add a new eBay store. We choose the country of origin of the eBay account. We connect to eBay. We click on Agree. Then you have to make a second connection by clicking on the blue link. Click here, or on the small blue key at the bottom. We click a second time on Agree. We add the country where the packages are shipped, the city, and also the postal code. It must be the same postal code that is indicated on eBay. We then move on to the definition of prices and margins. We click on Add Template. We choose a purchase price range. We set a profit margin, here 18%, and also a break-even percentage, here 15% and 25 cents. We then choose the source site and the target site. You can perform a test using the calculator on the right. The same process is carried out for the following price bracket, and so on for each supplier. We click on Refresh. Now we're going to create a description, which will appear on every eBay listing. It is preferable to create a suitable description for each supplier. I fill in a nickname, the eBay store, template type, pre-designed. I can add the URL of a banner that must be uploaded to a hosting site. Then we fill in with vital and important information the 3 windows, shipping, return and payments. All this information will appear on every eBay or Shopify listing. It is advisable to write a few words about your store, its performance, to gain the confidence of our future buyers. Then we check the option, by default. You can create multiple descriptions, and choose one of them before listing. Don't forget to click Save. We go to the next step, synchronization of eBay policies. You have to define policies on eBay beforehand, and embed them here on Getproduct. We click on Add Policy. You choose your store and the country of the policy. Then we click on Sync. The same is done for all the other policies. After each synchronization, you will have to refresh the page and choose from all the policies, one default policy, by clicking on a gray default button. This policies may be different from those chosen on eBay. All we have to do is adjust the listing parameters for each supplier. In the General section, we set the default quantity of each product, here 1. You can choose to round the prices to 0.49 or 0.99. We set the maximum amount of variations, if we decide to list with variations. We always leave the button, Vero, checked. This is fundamental. The auto-tracking section is covered in another video. In the eBay section, for those who sell eBay to eBay, you can choose to list only the products that have been sold at least 50 times. In the Aliexpress section, we choose the country where the product is stored, then the main country of dispatch, and then the preferred language for the title and description. Finally, the preferred means of transport. If we decide that we want to list only products that have this means of transport, then we will have to check here. Then you choose the maximum number of delivery days. You have to be wide, and put at least 50, even if the supplier is committed to delivering faster. Here, we set the maximum transport costs. Transport costs are obviously covered in the final sale price. In the Amazon section, it is advisable to choose Prime. We can decide, here, to list with variations, so on for the other suppliers. All is well. Getproduct is ready to use. I invite you to watch the video on how to mass list your first products on eBay or Shopify. See you there.